guys, so today we're going to be touring a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house located in Mariamakunda. Just showing you guys outside. Then we're going to take a walk inside to let you see what the place is like. So yeah, so they're constructing a boys quarter here for security purposes. Over here can be like a small garden. Look, they even have what is that? Is that goat? They even have goats now. That is gonna be gone though, if somebody wants to, rent this place. Well, let's go inside, guys. Let's see what this place looks like. I love this walk-in right here with the trees. It's just nice. You know what I mean? It's beautiful, man. It's like I'm in the, some paradise place. So this is the house. Yeah. That's my friend. Right? This is a nice house, guys. So this is the front area. Around there is the back. Yeah. I'll go around there shortly. So you walk in here. I love that there are like plants here and stuff. This yard is so tranquil. I think this is an orange tree right here. So you have access to orange. That's an avocado. Oh, it's borewell. That's a borewell right there. So you have borewell, water, and did I mention that you have security? Right. So you're looking outside, and this is another orange tree outside, and this is a bantuba. Woo! I like this bantuba. It's very nice. So you have chairs outside that you can sit on. Yeah. Can you imagine at nights out here? It's just gonna be amazing there. Yeah, so I'm going around. Yeah. Star fruit. Woo. You have access to star fruit. Who likes star fruit? Comment and let me know if you like star fruit. Yeah. And this is oh, Jody, this is Nesberry.
I just told mom to
What?
send me some seeds, and there it is.
There's a Nesberry tree. And there's a mango tree, avocado.
2 avocado trees.
There's a lot of orange tree as well. Coconut. This is a pranganut fruit. Another orange, backgate, coconut. Look at this design, guys. So nice. It's amazing. Okay, so it's a little bit dark, but this is the living room area. This is another. Oh, watch your step. This is another room area right here. Where you can have your entertainment system. Actually, this one is you can have it rent or you can have it unfurnished. It's really up to you guys. But yeah, this is the living room area, and you can go here. Oh my god, it's kind of dark, guys. I'm sorry about this. Let me see if I can find the light switch. Oh, I turned the light on in the wrong area. Wow. So this is the room. Yeah, this is a room right here. It's furnished now, but you can remove it. But I would say this is nice for a family. Showing them. Yeah. So bathroom. This is another room here.
Yeah, here's another room.
Okay.
Another room.
Okay, this is nice.
And here's a store.
This is a storeroom. It's closed.
Yes.
Okay, no problem. Alright, guys, we have to do a fast tour. So this is for the sitting. This is dining.
Yeah.
And the kitchen is here. Yeah, this is a nice kitchen. And that can lead you back outside.
Yeah, I have outside kitchen, but
you have an outside kitchen as well.
I have so many material there. That's my god.
No problem.
Oh
Oh no, if they want it unfurnished. This one is closed.
It's closed. It's just like there.
Oh, it's a room.
It's a door like here. It's a balcony like here.
Okay, it's a balcony outside. Oh, the front.
Yeah.
Okay, this is the other room.
Yes, the master bedroom.
Okay. Oh, have a bath.
Yeah, so I've just made this thing. We don't see how it is.
Yeah.
I'll remove that one and make another one.
Okay. That's cool. I understand. All right. So basically, this is the inside of the house. Okay, no problem, bro. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's nice. So that's the house tour in a nutshell. Solar light is here. Borewall. This house is nice. Yangi nice. Especially if you want a peaceful, quiet place, this is it. What do you think of this place? You have been touring it by yourself. What do you think?
Gosh. This place is another gem.
Mm-hmm.
You know, all it needs is just a little like sprucing up in terms of, you know, but it's beautiful. Inside, I like how the floor, the kitchen is big. You have the place is big. This is big.
Yeah.
And then the outside, the outskirts is also big. Beautiful garden.
Everything is big,
Oh my
including
gosh.
the house.
I'm seeing all kind of fruit trees that I'm used to in Jamaica. Soursop, Nesberry, starfruit, pomegranates, orange, and all kind of other citrus, mango, pear. The name can't done.
and it's close to like turntable, Brucey B, Senegambia, everywhere. This is like smack in the middle of everything, huh?
Absolutely.
I mean,
Absolutely.
so make sure to tell them to subscribe
Subscribe.
and contact the number if you want this place. If it's still available, that is.
Yes,
We're
if
just
it's still
touring it.
available.
We're just touring.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Queen, thank you so much, huh?
You're welcome.
It was nice interviewing you today because we don't get to see much of you. So family, as Jody just said, this place is located in a prime spot. It's very good for, you know, if you're coming to Africa and you want a nice place to just, you know, relax and get used to the environment. It's definitely a good spot there. As I said, I don't know if it's going to be available when you guys see this video out, but if it is and you want it to rent, just contact us at the number that you will see. We're going to find more places like this and we're going to be showing them to you guys, so comment and let us know if you like this or if you want to see more investment type properties, because that is also something that you guys can look into when coming to the Gambia, you know. But for rentals, we're going to be touring them. Once we get them, we'll be showing them to you guys so you can get to see them, guys. So I really do hope you enjoy this video. When we're going back out, we're going to record the road so you can get to see where it's at and stuff like that, you know. So
it will be a golden feeling to see happy faces everywhere. I wanna take a minute to bring you words of good cheer. Situations, they can make your life feel dull. Don't let it stop ya. Break that fear and have some fun. Inhale and take in the fresh air. No more pressure, you're gone clear. You know, see you rich from your of life, so skank and rock till the sunrise. Inhale and take in the fresh air. No more pressure, you're gone clear. You know, see you rich from your of life, so skank and rock till the sunrise. It's your life, it's your life. Live it, don't keep all the pain inside. Release it, it's your life, it's your life. Live your life, live your life, live your life. Don't take for granted the simple things that make you smile. Wake up and live. Don't let nothing keep you down. You deserve the best of what life has in store for you. Open your heart, give in to love. Inhale and take in the fresh air. No more pressure, you're gone clear. You know, see you rich from your of life.